Hello my lovely kids. Hope you are doing well at home and enjoying learning through videos. Myself Rachna and today again I welcome you for the online learning. You know, today I have planned EVS subject for you with a story. And story is based on healthy living. Students, do you know what is healthy living? I think you don't know. But don't worry. At the end of the story, you would come to know what is healthy living. Let's get started and listen it carefully. In this story, we will talk about two 6-year-old sisters, Rosie and Pinky. Rosie and Pinky were living in a beautiful house with their parents. Both Rosie and Pinky were real sisters, but they were very different from each other. Rosie always used to spend her time helping her mother in the kitchen, playing games, doing regular studies and meeting friends. Whereas Pinky would not do anything other than just eating junk food, sleeping and watching TV all the time. She frequently falls sick too. Her mother always cooked delicious healthy food for them, but Pinky always demands for junk food like pizza, burger, etc. Whereas Rosie used to eat all healthy fruits and vegetables happily. Their parents were very sad and worried about Pinky's behavior. One day, Rosie planned a party with her friends at home. And Pinky falls sick again. And Pinky could not join the party as she was ill, and Rosie's friends didn't notice her even. You know why? Because Pinky never went out to play. She wasted her time in watching TV all the time, so nobody knows her. So that day, Pinky became very sad. Angels never like her kids looking sad. So she immediately came to Pinky to ask why she is sad. Pinky replied crying that nobody likes to become my friend. Nobody plays with me. I frequently fall sick. Why everything is happening to me only? The angel sat beside the Pinky and explained her that the reason for your sickness is you always refuse to eat healthy fruits and vegetables. The reason why you don't have energy to fight with the germs. You never go out to play, whereas playing out is a very good exercise to keep our body healthy. You always watch TV, which can make your eyesight weak. Then how you would do your classwork from the board in school? You will not get the good marks then. After all these discussions, Pinky realized her mistakes and promised her parents to behave like her sister Rosie and started living healthy and happy then after. That was a wonderful story, isn't it? I'm sure you loved it. At the end of the story, Rosie and Pinky started healthy living, right? Now, what is healthy living? Healthy living means living in a healthy ways. It also means keeping ourselves healthy. Students, can you tell me why to keep ourselves healthy? Okay, let me explain you by keeping ourselves healthy what benefit we would get. By keeping ourselves healthy, we can stop ourselves being overweighted. You don't like if somebody calls you, hey fatty boy, hey fatty girl, right? We can have strong teeth and bones. And strong bones will help you to grow fast. If we are healthy, we can be happy all the time. We will never feel bored and lazy. It improves our memory also. Being healthy, you will get the energy to fight against germs. You will never fall sick. Now you must be thinking how to keep yourself healthy. Let's see what we need to do to keep ourselves healthy. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at the night. which helps us to protect from cavity. Wake up early in the morning, which is a sign of good habit also. Go to toilet every day and wash your hands with soap after every use of toilet. Take a bath daily, which helps us to remove dirt and germs from our body. Comb your hair and wear clean clothes. Drink milk and eat fruits and vegetables daily, as they are the energy giving food, and avoid junk food. Do exercise daily, as it helps us to control weight and makes our bones and muscles strong. Students, you must follow all these points to keep yourselves healthy. Thank you. Be healthy. Home assignment for you now. You just have to write answers for these 3 questions. Question 1. Write 2 things which you use to clean your body. Question 2. Write 2 vegetables which helps us to keep our body healthy. And question number 3. What we do to remove dirt from our body. And be ready with your answers. Thank you. Stay healthy.